Hello folks, today we are going to talk about how to install Java JDK 21 on Windows and Mac. So I have already listed down here the installation guide over here and the downloadable link. So you can see here this is for Windows. So when you click on this, double click, so it is saying you are going to open https download.oracle.com java 21 latest jdk 21. So why I am downloading jdk 21 only? Because jdk 21 is the LTS long term support right now, and that's why we are going to download jdk 21. So just click on yes. So it is going here and it is going to download. So right now I'm just canceling this because right now I have already jdk with me and it's installed in my system. So let me go to the doc. Let me go through a step by step installation guide. So you will get familiarized with all the things that is required for this installation Java JDK 21. So if there is Windows, then you have to click on this, double click, and if it is for Mac OS, then click on this JDK 21. So double click, you will get the following JDK on your browser. From there you can download. So after download, when you will double click on this jdk, so right now I am using Windows. So when you will double click on .exe file, so this welcome screen will appear. Welcome to the installation wizard for Java SE Development Kit 21.0.6. Now in this screen you need to click on this next, and on the next window you need to click on this next button. So when you click on this next button, so your jdk will be installed in this location, c program files java jdk 21. However, if you would like to change the location for that, now click on this change and browse your location and just click on next. Now jdk is installation is in progress, so this green color showing that it is in progress. So once it's complete, your message, your next window will come and this message will be displayed: Java TM SE Development Kit 21.0.6 64-bit successfully installed. And when you click on this close button, so your installation is completed. Now you need to set Java path. So here setting Java path is little bit tricky. You need to follow some steps. So I have already covered in this document. So go to File Explorer. So let me talk it here. So now you go here, click on File Explorer, and from here right click on this PC. Here right click and just click on properties. Now you see that this option is coming, advanced system settings. Now you click on this. So here environments variables is there. Now you need to click on this environment variables, and under system variables, so this is system variables. Under this path, so click on this path and you need to click on edit. So whenever you want to add some path or edit some path, you need to click on this edit button. So click on this and you see the last one, c program files java jdk 21 slash bin. So I have already copy paste from here. Let me go through that. So from where I have installed, so as we know from the latest installation, so it is installed into C program files Java and under JDK. So there is called bin folder. So click on this bin folder. You need to copy till bin folder. So the path will be C program files Java JDK 21 and bin. Till bin you need to copy this and come to the system variables. So you need to click on this new and just add, copy paste from there and paste it here, and then click on OK. Here in the environment variables you need to click on OK, and in system properties you need to click on OK. So I have already explained here. So file explorer, this PC, right click properties. So you came here, this PC, right click and click on properties. So you, first of all, this screen will come advanced system settings. So this is representing with one. And after that, when you click on this advanced system settings, you will route to the environment variables. So this is step 2. After click on this, you come to system variables, and under path select this, and you need to click on edit. So here you need not to uh, do duplicacy. So if that location is already there, so you need not to do anything, but make sure that things should be correct. Click on ok. And after that, so this one is representing this first process. So click on ok on the environment variables window, and after that system properties window, you need to click on ok. And now your java set path is done. Now you go to their command prompt. So in command prompt, in windows, you need to open command prompt. When you will click on this, here you need to write java hyphen version. So whenever you press enter, so you see that java version 21.06 is already installed. And after that, you need to type java c. So when you will click on this enter, whenever you will get this type of text, your installation is done successfully, and your set java path is also done correctly. So this assures that your all the things is correct. So, and one more thing I would like to tell here. So go above. So if you are using for windows, then follow this link. If you are using mac os, then follow this link. Rest all the process is similar. So you just go through step by step, and you will get all the things correctly. So this is all about installation Java JDK 21 on Windows and Mac. So now let me go through that. So whenever you will install Java JDK, so some ID will be required to work on that. So where you will write the code. So installation of Java JDK is not sufficient. So one editor you need to require to write the code. So you go to the Eclipse. So here I have already made this PDF based on the Eclipse ID. So I have listed all the steps that is required for this installation. So you can download the Eclipse ID from here. So click on this, double click. So it is saying you are going to open https www.eclipse.org/downloads. So this is the official link that you will get the Eclipse ID from this location, from this URL. Please make sure you trust it before opening. Continue to open. So yes, it is valid. So you need to click on this yes. So it will be open in the Chrome. Now from here you will get this link, download option. So click on this, and you need to click on this download x8664. Do not click on this download archive 64. You just click on this, you will get .exe file. So download x8664. Click, when you click on this, so it will say this download link. When you will click on this download button, your thank you for your download, and your download is in progress. So one download is in progress. I will just remove this because I have already have into my system, and I have already configured all the paths and all the things that is required for this Eclipse IDE. So let me go to the PDF. So once you will get this exe file, so this type you will getting Eclipse installation JRE Windows 64. So when you will double click on this, your installation begins. So this window shows installation begins after a few seconds. So this window will come. So you need to select it from here, Eclipse ID for Java developers, and then this window will come. So here you need to understand this. So installation folder, so wherever you want to install this, if you want to change your location, you can change from here, clicking on this folder icon and select your location. And if you would like to install at by default, so let it be there. And here you need to select this checkbox, create a start menu entry, and create desktop shortcut. Your desktop shortcut will be there at your desktop. So you just click on this install. After this you will get this window, accept now. So you need to click on this accept now. So this is the foundation software user agreement versions. So you must have to accept it. And after that, when you accept this, click by clicking on the accept now, so this window will open and it will keep on installing. Eclipse starts installing. And then whenever it will install, you need to click on this launch. So your Eclipse will be launched. As the basic steps you need to follow while you are downloading the JDK and installing it, and set Java path and checking from the command prompt. Now you need to set the editor, you need to download and set their path, location, and all the things that I have already told you in this video. So just follow step by step. It is a simple procedure. Now you already installed Java JDK and you set its path and you have Eclipse ID. Now I will write some basic programs into that. Now you just type here Eclipse, search and type here Eclipse. So just click on this, it will open here. So my workspace is my workspace Selenium. So if you would like to change your workspace, then click on this browse and locate your file and select folder. So right now my folder is selected as D, and my folder is my workspace Selenium. Now I will click on this launch. So when you will open at the first time, you will get package explorer. So here you will get some link, create a Java project, create a Maven project, create a project, import projects. So some recommendation will be there, but I need to you can open your Java project from here as well. So this is the first time you will get when you don't have any project. So uh, right now you can set your project name from here, but let me choose another way. So from here click on file, new, and you need to select Java project. So click on this Java project. So I will give the project name as my first Java project, like this, simple. So and here you just need to click on finish. So my first Java project is created. When you open this, you will see GRE system library. So under this folder, you will see all this Java library is there. Java.net, Java.rmi, so all the JDK.net, JDK security authorization. So all the library will be there. So you need not to worry about this. So there is one folder called SRC. So under this SRC, so SRC is package, or you can say that this is folder. So whenever you will go to this location, so let me open this. So under D, so you will see my first Java project is created. Under this you will see this SRC. So this is source. Just close this. So under source I just want to create one package. So right click, new, and package, select package here. And from here, let's say I will use session 1. You will see that invalid package name session 1 is not valid Java identifier, because you have one white space in between session and 1. Just remove this. So you will get the option as finish. Now this session 1 is package, and this is one folder. Under this folder you need to create one class, because where you will write the code, you will write the code in class. So Here I will write as my first class and click on finish. So here you can see that I have already created package session, so that's why it is coming here. And here you can see public class, my first class. So what is class? For now, let me over give me overview of this class. So class is a blueprint which does not have any objects in the real world. So class is a blueprint of an object. So class is that type of entity which do not have any objects. So it is just like a blueprint on the paper. So it is just class, and class is having under class what we have. Under class we are having some methods. So let's say, let me write it here: public static void main, and here string array args. So don't ask here like what is public, what is static, what is void main string array args. So don't ask here, because I will give you a very detailed manner what is public and why we are writing public. Can we write public here and static here, and can we interchange the public and static location? Can we interchange in between this? Can we write a string as capital letters starting for capital letters, or can we write in small letters? So I will be talking bit more detail in the upcoming videos. Just now you can understand this class is a blueprint, and in class we are having some method. That's all for now, you can understand like this. And when I will come to the topic related with oops concept, there I will explain in more detail what is class, what is object, what is polymorphism, what is overloading concept, all the things, what is in inheritance, what is encapsulation, abstraction. So I will talking there. So just for now, let me print something. System dot out dot println. Here I will be writing, let's say, hello world. Hello world. Now save this, control S, and you can right click on this editor, and you will see that there is option called as run as. And when you select this Java application, run as Java application, so hello world, whatever we write in the system out.println, it is just printing. And whenever you want to print something more else, so write this: welcome to prince testing world. Control S, and now you can run it by clicking on this icon. So run my first class. So you will see that all the output is there. So hello world is for this statement, and welcome to prince testing world. So here this output is coming. So this is the example of basic program. So this session is was meant for installing the JDK and set the all the things that is required for to write the code. And we have just executed our first program. So that's all for this video. We will meet in the next video with fresh new topics. Thank you.